Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your console and Little Big Planet version, because mismatched versions block DLC access. Log into your account and make sure your store region matches the one that sold the costume. Next, open the in-game shop or console store and search for the exact console kitty or kitty costume entry. Once located, review price and any bundle requirements so you know whether to buy directly, redeem, or link a promo code before proceeding to purchase or claim. You next purchase or redeem the console kitty costume using the store prompts. Follow payment or code entry exactly to avoid errors. Once bought, start the download and monitor progress. Partial installs cause missing assets. After download finishes, verify installation in the game's extras or add-ons menu. Make sure file size matches the listing. Then open Create Mode or your wardrobe, find the kitty costume piece, and equip it to Sackboy. Adjust layers and colors as needed. You finalize by loading a level to confirm the kitty costume renders correctly on Sackboy. Test animations and physics briefly. If it does not appear, restart the game and console, because cached data often prevents new DLC from showing. Make sure your account and store region match the purchase, and install any pending game updates. If issues persist, gather your receipt, screenshots, and error messages, then contact platform or publisher support. This speeds resolution and may restore or redeliver the costume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.